Hey everyone, today we are taking a look at the Oley Booster Deep Tissue Massager. Let's open up the box and see how it works. First off, here's the instructions. First, we'll look at the accessory box. It comes with accessories in here. So you get your charging cable by USB-C. So here's the different massage heads. And here is the device itself. So yeah, let's go test this out and see how it works. Whether you're an athlete, a desk warrior, or just someone who battles daily muscle strain or pain, then the Oley Booster Massager is built for you. This isn't your average massager. It has a deep tissue penetration depth of 10 millimeters and a vibration frequency of 5,000 to 7,000 RPM. It's operating at 3 to 5 times the speed of most competitors, which means faster recovery, deeper muscle activation, and real results. It targets soreness, pain, and tension by breaking down soft tissue adhesions and boosting blood flow and helping your body heal smarter and not harder. It comes with 4 built-in massage heads and 3 interchangeable silicone tips. You've got a metal bullet tip for trigger points and knots, and a flat and triangular metal tip for tendons and major muscle groups. And each silicone head is made to affect different trigger points and give more relief for various areas. It's like having a full therapy toolkit in one device. The aluminum alloy body feels premium and sturdy, while the 2,500 milliamp battery gives you extended usage time without constant recharging. But it can easily be charged back up by USB-C. Its high-speed, short-stroke motion enhances precision and comfort, making it ideal for treating everything from repetitive strain injuries to helping with poor posture. Whether you're recovering from a workout or a long day at the desk, this device adapts to your needs. It also has 3 preset speed ranges to choose from. Each speed is clearly displayed with an LED indicator, so you can easily switch between gentle stimulations and full-on deep tissue work. It's intuitive and responsive, so it's perfect for easing into recovery or powering through pain relief. It's wireless and ergonomically designed to reduce strain on the hands, especially when used by professionals. It saves time, reduces fatigue, and enhances treatment. So if you're looking to relieve stress and pain, then definitely take a look at the Oley Booster Deep Tissue Massager today. And you can check it out in the link below. See you.